When I say A, you say yo. A, A. Can I tell you how my year changed? How life switched around in 1 year? The way that you think determines the way that you live. So if your mind is bound, then your life will be bound. And if your mind is limited, your life will be limited. And at that point, I had to ask the question, what have I been believing, and is it building me? I'm letting go of the voice that says I'm not good enough because all right, let's go. I'm letting go of the voice that says I'm not smart enough because say, I'm letting go of the voice that says I'm not smart enough because say, I'm letting go of the voice that says I'm not confident because Who told you you weren't enough? And why are you still believing them? Who told you you weren't enough? And why are you still believing them? I had to let go of the voice of my agent who said I wasn't enough. I had to let go of the voice of my job who said I wasn't enough. And I had to let go of the whole idea of social media who said I wasn't enough. My environment needed to change. The company of people that I had around me needed to change. So I want you guys to be mindful of what you're watching, what you're listening to, because those will inform the way that you think. And if the way that you think determines the way that you live, then you want to ensure that you have positive things that are in your mind, that you are watching, that you are hearing. You need to replace the negative with the positive because that's what's going to make the shift in your exam seasons. I needed to heal from what was hurting. I needed to heal what was hidden. When I was 4 years old, I was diagnosed with leukemia. I had cancer. From age 4 to age 10, I was going to hospital in and out. So I had to go through physical healing. I had to go through emotional healing when I lost my mom at 15 due to cancer. I've just recovered from cancer. Now my mom has passed away from cancer. Physical healing, emotional healing. I needed to heal so that I could bring out the person within me, the person that I knew I can be. Because we are trying to be the best that I can be. The best that I can be. You can ace your exams, but it's about pursuing it with dedication and with commitment. I can do anything I set my mind to do. Like I said, your thoughts are informed by your words and pictures. So some of you might have words plastered up saying, yes, I'm enough, I'm good, but do you have pictures to complement that? Do you have pictures of where it is that you want to go? Do you have pictures of that institution that you want to go to, that university that you want to go to, that job that you want to go to? Generate those pictures so that it will drive you from moving from motivation to activation. Hey, yo, this my M.O. Thrive, pursue, respond. Let's go, say. Hey, yo, this my M.O. Thrive, pursue, respond. All right, all together. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, yo. This my M.O. Thrive, pursue, respond.